Hi, in this tutorial I'll show how to create an audience and a contact list in MailChimp, or how to upload your existing contact list as a CSV file in MailChimp. Log into your MailChimp dashboard and go to the audience. If you already have an audience created, you can just go to the import contacts. If you don't have an audience created, then you have to create an audience. Audience means list, the email list. You have to create it from here. Just give it a name. The from address should be your webmail address, not a generic address like Gmail, Outlook or iCloud, but just to show I am using a generic one for now. Default from name, your company name or from name that you want to show in the emails that you send to your audience. The from name, I can just add test here. Here you have to write a short reminder that why the people on your list or why they are receiving these emails. So you can just add it here. Your this email as you that's it. Then you can enable double opt-in or enable these things. I will discuss these things later on in details. For now, just go to save. Okay, the audience is created. Now you have to add your contacts. You can just click on add contacts, add a subscriber. From this option you can add one by one, and if you have a bulk then you can go import contacts. There are three options. The most common option is upload as a file, as a CSV or text file, but you can also import it from another services like WooCommerce, Salesforce, Jabber, Shopify and these things. For now, I am showing you how to upload it from a CSV file. You can also copy paste the contacts from this option. Go to upload from file, click here, browse the file. I have a test list created of 3 persons as a CSV file. This CSV file you can see in the Excel, Microsoft Excel, or if you're on a Mac you can see it on the Numbers app. So you can have these things: first name, last name, email, phone, company, something like this. These are not compulsory, but the email address, this one is a must. Just browse it from here and select it. Then click on continue to organize. Here are the options. If they are your subscribed contacts, then you can select subscribe. If they are unsubscribed contacts, non-subscribed contacts or clean contact, then you can select it from here. But please note that you cannot send email to the unsubscribed, not subscribed or clean contacts. So if you want to send them bulk mail or send them regular communications, then you have to click on the subscribe. Then you can click update any existing contacts if you have doubt that a contact may have already in your contact list. Otherwise, just leave it and click on the tag. Here the tag options. Suppose you have two different contact lists, like for two different products, then you can define one from here, like suppose table. You can add a custom tag like table, and for another list you can add a custom tag like chair or something else that you have. For now I am selecting a default one like this, customer or something. Why you add the tags? While adding the contacts in your MailChimp, if you add the tags, it will be helpful for you to segment or to separate the contacts from the other contacts in MailChimp for different campaigns. So it is recommended to add any tag from here to add the contacts. Go to the continue to message. Now you see these columns. Now see, these columns will match with the MailChimp's default column names. If one doesn't match, then you have to match it manually. So here you see 4 columns will be imported, 3 columns will not be imported. So 3 columns did not match, so we have to match them. If you want to save these fields, then you can just change it from here and find it which is most accurate for this name. So I don't have one like company here. You can add a field like a custom field here. The type is text, as the company name is a text. Then click on confirm. Company is added. The gender, that's not available as well. Also text. And the date of birth, not available here. Birthday, confirm. Once these are done, if you leave 1 or 2 here, then they will not be imported. Now you see the 7 columns will be imported, 0 columns will not be imported. Go to finalize import. Here you will see the summary. If everything is fine, click on complete import. Import will be successful, or if the list is a very big list, then it will take some time, and once completed you will receive an email, or you can see in your dashboard. You can click on the view imported contacts to see your imported contacts like this. That's it for today. I'll come soon with more in-depth MailChimp tutorials. You can contact us to the task@theemailtemplate.com, or you can comment us in our channel for any specific requirement or for any specific tutorial. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.